Jump. 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 Ooh, woo. Did you know you could sit on these spaceships? And all the other background stuff in the other areas? Other parts of the map? Anyways. Here we are on my Fire Poison Mage. Poison Wood. We're going to do the Infinity Race with Flana of the Maple Challengers. Let's go. Psh, can't play in a party. Yeah, well then let's not do that and let's get a party. Woohoo! You're going down. I didn't get to type that. Oh well. We'll get them next time. Arrgh! Arrgh! Oh no! Oh no! I was killing him. I was killing him. All right, you guys have nothing on me. Nothing on me. Look at this. Perfect. Oh god. Oh no. Oh god. What are we doing? Yeah. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Get out of here, last strikery. This is my round. Ah! No! Yes! Yeah! 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 No, I don't think we can mess this. Okay, we messed up a little. Okay, we won. Woohoo! GG. GG's. GG. 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 Okay. Second race. Hopefully this is the only one we have to do. Only extra one we have to do. Unless... Let's go! Oh no, I forgot to talk smack again! Oh well. I was gonna be like, GG, thank you. I already won. You have no chance, but... Looks like we're gonna slaughter them. Get wrecked. Y'all suck. Dang, I am a natural. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Pure. Oh, we missed one. And we got hit by a rock. Still professional. We never die. No! Never! Impossible. Yeah! Yeah! Give me them coins. Wait, what? We lost? I tried so hard and got... Wait, how did they make a... When did they make a comeback? Got so far. Ah! I tried so hard and got... Well, that was fun. But in the end, it doesn't even matter. Stay tuned for more videos from the Maple Island event. Like the Dungeon Blast PQ, we're going to have the other 3 classes each have their own video. And there's a Terry video coming soon. That's a long one. It's a frustratingly long one. See you next time.